Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily turn on automatic software update on your Apple iPhone. So in order to turn on the automatic software update option, you'll have to go into the settings. Once you're in the settings, you have to scroll down and find the option general. For me it's right here, so if you can't find it here you can just scroll down and find it anywhere over this page. Okay, so once you find it you can click on it, and now you can see the option software update. I'll click on it, and now we can see the first option, which is showing automatic updates, which is turned on for my case. So I'll click on it, and now we can see the option automatically download iOS updates. So if you turn it off, the automatic download will be turned off. So if you turn this on, it will just automatically update the I mean just download the newer iOS version and maybe just update it overnight. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.